Chapter 2: The Magic Pearls. Learning Objectives. 1. Identifying weaknesses and strengths of the individuals. 2. Appreciating the unconditional love of parents. Warm up. The Magic Pearls, a story of Hindu mythology, is all about a princess, Swayamvar. The king puts a difficult condition for the prince to marry Renuka, her daughter. Use the crystal ball to imagine what will happen in the story. Color the crystal ball and underneath the space, write your prediction of what kind of condition would have been implied by the king. About mythological stories. Myths and legends are an integral part of human existence. They have been around us all the time. Though their validity is ambivalent, nobody seems to mind as they stand as a proof of the human belief in divine powers. Indian mythology is one of the richest elements of Indian cultures, which enriches it further and makes it a unique one in the world. Through generations, different stories in Indian mythology have been passed from generation to generation, either by word of mouth or through carefully stored scriptures. The stories of Indian mythology are a great medium for people, especially parents, to inculcate interest in Indian culture in the younger generation and to impart values of Indian culture to them. Many years ago, there was a king named Ronak Singh who ruled over a small kingdom. His only daughter Renuka was very beautiful. She was very kind and generous. She was also a great athlete. Nobody could beat her in a race. The king was proud of her daughter. In course of time, Renuka grew up into a beautiful maiden. Now, the king and the queen began to think of her marriage. Ronak Singh decided to marry his daughter to the prince who would beat her in a race. The king asked his minister to make an announcement informing everybody about his condition. The news spread far and wide, and many princes came to win her hand. However, none could beat her in the race and therefore went back disappointed. One day, the young and handsome prince of the neighboring kingdom came to the capital of King Ronak Singh. He had also heard the condition of the king about his daughter's marriage. The prince went to the king's court and expressed his desire to marry Renuka. The king liked the young prince but told him that it would be possible only if the prince could beat his daughter in the race. He would then gladly allow him to marry Renuka. The prince agreed and a date was fixed for the competition. The prince was a great devotee of Lord Shiva. Early in the morning of the race, he went to the ancient temple of Lord Shiva, worshipped with great devotion and begged for his blessing. Lord Shiva was much pleased with his devotion. He appeared before the prince and blessed him for his victory. Then he gave 3 big pearls to the prince and said, "Princess Renuka is much fond of pearls. Keep these pearls, and when she runs past you, throw one of these pearls on her way. When she stops to pick up the pearl, you at once run fast and overtake her." The prince bowed before the god and came out. On the day of competition, a large crowd gathered to witness the race. As soon as the race began, Princess Renuka got ahead of the prince. The prince at once threw one of the pearls on her way and he himself continued running. The princess was astonished at the beauty and size of the pearl. As she stopped to pick it up, the young prince got time to run past her. But the princess was a fast runner. She soon overtook him and got ahead of him. This time, the prince threw the second pearl on her way. Once again, she stopped to pick up the pearl and the prince again went past her. But this time, Renuka ran faster than before and soon came just beside the prince. The target was quite near. The prince threw the last pearl in front of her and continued running even without looking back. Thought that she could win the race even after picking up the pearl. So, she once again stopped to pick it up. But this time she proved to be wrong and the prince reached the victory spot before her. Everybody was happy at the outcome. They clapped with joy and cheered the young prince. Renuka happily married to the wise and handsome prince. Find meaning. Generous, brill, maiden, young girl, far and wide, everywhere. Disappointed, saddened, handsome, good looking, desire, wish, devotee, follower, appeared, come into view, appeared, came into view, astonished, surprised, outcome, result. Exercises, creative expression. Tell your story. King Ronak Singh put up a condition for the marriage of his daughter. Can you think of an incident where you put up a condition for doing something for your parents? Write the dialogues in the empty spaces given below. Cross-curricular connect. Learning by doing. Lord Shiva was much pleased with Prince. He appeared before the prince and blessed him for his victory. Imagine Lord Shiva is in front of you. What will be your wish? Write any 4 wishes you would want for yourself, your family, the world and your friend from Lord Shiva. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. In this story, despite being a great athlete, Princess Renuka lost the competition. Do you think she was overconfident? Divide the class into 2 halves. One half of the class should argue for the topic, that is, she was overconfident, and the other half should argue against it, that is, Princess Renuka as a great athlete. Justify your view by stating the reason. Logical thinking. Princess Renuka was much fond of pearls. She was shocked to see them on her way to the race. What will you do if you see anything which you are fond of in the race competition? A. You will ignore, continue running. B. You will stop and pick up the thing. Exercise time. A. Answer the following questions. 1. What was the name of the king's daughter? Why was he proud of her? Answer. The king's daughter's name was Renuka. The king was proud of Renuka because she was a great athlete. 2. What condition was put for the prince by the king to marry his daughter? Answer. The king asked the prince to beat his daughter in the race and then he will let the prince marry his daughter. Number 3. Where did the young prince go in the morning of the race? Answer. The prince visited Lord Shiva's temple early in the morning. 4. How did Lord Shiva bless the young prince? Answer. Lord Shiva gave 3 magic pearls to the prince as a blessing. Number 5. What did Princess Renuka think before picking up the last pearl? What was the result? Answer. Princess Renuka thought that she could win the race even after picking up the pearl. The princess ends up losing the race. B. Find their meaning. 1. Ambivalent. Having or showing a mixture of feelings to somebody. 2. Scriptures. Holy books or books with religious importance. 3. Divine. Connected with God or a god. 4. Devotion. Great love for somebody or something. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. 1. With the course of time, Renuka grew up into a beautiful maiden. 2. The prince agreed and a date was fixed for the competition. 3. On the day of the competition, a large crowd gathered to witness the race. 4. The princess was astonished at the beauty and size of the pearl. Number 5. Renuka happily married to the wise and handsome prince. Match the following. Picture 1. The prince went to king's court. Picture 2. Lord Shiva appeared before prince. Picture 3. Renuka happily married the wise man. Take the right options. 1. What was the name of King Ronak Singh's daughter? 1. Princess Renuka. 2. Princess Monica. 3. Princess Menaka. Answer. 1. Princess Renuka. 2. Which of the following qualities did the princess have? 1. She was very beautiful. 2. She was very kind and generous. 3. Both of these. Answer. She was very beautiful. 3. The prince was a great devotee of which god? 1. Lord Krishna. 2. Lord Shiva. 3. Lord Ram. Answer 2. Lord Shiva. 4. Who won the race competition? 1. The prince. 2. Princess Renuka. 3. Both of these. Answer 1. The prince. Conceptual understanding. Describe the favorite character of the story in a way that captures the reader's interest. 1. Use words that create vivid images. Use imagination. 2. Use describing words. 3. Be consistent in whatever tense you use. Number 4. The description should be systematic and based on facts. Communication. Writing skills. Princess Renuka was a great athlete. Nobody could beat her in the race. Everybody was sure that she would win the race. But the young prince of the neighboring country defeated her. Write in your own words the reason behind her defeat. Do it yourself. Reading skills. Based on your reading of the chapter, tell us which lines in the story tell us about the unconditional love of parents. Write the lines and also mention the name of the speaker. Answer. Lines. The king was proud of her daughter. Ronak Singh decided to marry his daughter to the prince who would beat her in a race. The king asked his minister to make an announcement informing everybody about his condition. Speaker. Narrative. Listening and speaking skills. Your teacher will tell you about some precious gems. Listen to him or her carefully and write down in your notebook. Let's learn spellings. Underline the words that are spelled correctly. 1. A-N-C-I-E-N-T. Ancient. 2. C-U-L-T-U-R-E. Culture. 3. E-S-T-A-B-L-I-S-H. Establish. 4. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-C-E. Importance. 5. E-X-P-E-R-I-E-N-C-E. Experience. 6. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-E-N-T. Descendant. 7. A-C-C-I-D-E-N-T-A-L-L-Y. Accidentally. 8. C-A-P-A-C-I-T-Y. Capacity. 9. C-O-M-M-U-N-I-T-Y. Community. 10. D-E-P-A-R-T-M-E-N-T. Department. 9. C-O-M-M-U-N-I-T-Y. Community. 10. D-E-P-A-R-T-M-E-N-T. Department. 11. F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G. Following. 12. I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-C-E. Independence. 13. P-E-R-F-O-R-M-A-N-C-E. Performance. 14. P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S. Potatoes. 15. R-E-M-A-R-K-A-B-L-E. Remarkable. 16. N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L-I-T-Y. Nationality. 17. P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N. Pollution. 18. R-E-S-P-E-C-T-F-U-L. Respectful. Vocabulary time. Of words given in the brackets, choose the one that you think is appropriate. 1. As long as the operation was going on, the members of the patient family were in a state of suspense. 2. On account of an accident somewhere, our train had to change its route. 3. Newton discovered the principle of gravity. 4. I have booked a suite in a Delhi hotel at the rate of 200 rupees per day. 5. I have always found him a most amiable fellow. 6. He decided to wreak terrible vengeance upon his old foe. 7. From this shop he bought only a pair of shoes. Life skills. Self-awareness building. Imagine you are participating in a sports event at school. You have just finished a race where you could have won had you not slowed down at the last bend in the track. You are feeling unhappy as you did not win the gold medal. You had worse feeling because your friends were in the crowd. How will you overcome your emotions? You can start like this. I shall overcome my sense of defeat by do it yourself.